Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Dialogues. We are very happy to be here with you today.
Yes, welcome to Daily English Dialogues, the place where you can listen, learn, and enjoy English in a friendly way.
Today, Mark and I are going to talk about a warm and important topic: dreams and goals.
That is a wonderful topic, Anna. Everyone has a dream, even if it is small, quiet, or not clear yet.
That is true. A dream can be something big, like starting a business, traveling around the world, or becoming a great teacher.
And a dream can also be something simple, like having a happy home, learning English well, or feeling more confident every day.
I like that. Sometimes people think a dream must be very huge, but it does not have to be.
Exactly. A dream is something that gives your heart energy. It gives you a reason to wake up and try again.
Mark, when you hear the word dream, what do you think about first?
I think about hope. A dream is like a small light inside us. It tells us, there is something beautiful ahead.
That is a lovely idea. I think a dream is like a picture in our mind. We cannot touch it yet, but we can see it.
Yes, and a goal is different from a dream. A dream is the big picture, but a goal is the step we take to reach it.
That is a very useful difference. A dream says, I want to speak English well. A goal says, I will study English for 30 minutes every day.
Perfect example. Dreams need goals because goals make dreams more real.
Without goals, a dream may stay only in our imagination.
And without dreams, goals may feel boring or empty.
So we need both. We need a dream to inspire us, and we need goals to guide us.
Anna, did you have a dream when you were a child?
Yes, I did. When I was a child, I wanted to become a writer. I loved stories, books, and beautiful words.
That sounds like you. You always explain things in a gentle and clear way.
Thank you, Mark. I remember sitting near the window with a notebook. I wrote short stories about animals, families, and little adventures.
That is wonderful. Did you keep that dream?
In some ways, yes. My dream changed a little, but the feeling stayed. I still love sharing ideas through words.
That is important. Sometimes our dreams change, but the heart of the dream stays the same.
Exactly. Maybe the job changes, the place changes, or the plan changes, but the deeper wish stays alive.
My childhood dream was to become a pilot. I wanted to fly above the clouds.
Really, that is exciting.
Yes, I loved looking at airplanes in the sky. I thought pilots were brave, calm, and free.
Did you become a pilot?
No, I did not. But I still love travel, learning about different places, and meeting people from other cultures.
So your dream also changed shape.
Yes, it changed shape, but it did not disappear.
I think many listeners can understand that. A dream does not always happen in the exact way we first imagine.
That is very true. Life is not a straight road. Sometimes it is like a river. It turns left, then right, then moves forward again.
I love that image. Dreams and goals help us continue moving forward, even when the road is not easy.
Speaking of goals, Anna, what makes a good goal?
I think a good goal should be clear. If the goal is too general, we do not know what to do.
Can you give an example?
Sure, I want to be better at English is a dream or a wish. But I will learn 10 new English words every day is a clear goal.
That makes sense. A clear goal gives us direction.
Yes, a good goal should also be realistic. It should challenge us, but it should not be impossible.
For example, if I am very busy, maybe studying English for 5 hours every day is not realistic.
Exactly. But studying for 20 minutes every day may be realistic and powerful.
Small steps can create big change.
Yes. Many people fail because they start too big. They try to change everything in one day.
Then they feel tired, disappointed, and maybe even ashamed.
But they do not need to feel ashamed. They only need a better plan.
That is a kind way to say it. Failure does not always mean we are weak. Sometimes it means our plan needs to be simpler.
Yes. If the goal is too heavy, make it lighter. If the step is too big, make it smaller.
I like that. A small goal is not a small life. A small goal is a smart beginning.
Beautifully said, Mark.
Thank you. I am trying to sound wise today.
You are doing well.
Anna, what is one goal you are working on now?
One goal I am working on is to read more books. I want to read at least one book every month.
That is a nice goal. Why do you want to read more?
Because reading helps me think more deeply. It gives me new ideas, new words, and a calmer mind.
I understand. Reading is like a quiet conversation with another person's mind.
Exactly. What about you, Mark? What is one goal you have now?
My goal is to become healthier. Not perfect, just healthier.
That is a very good goal. What steps are you taking?
I am walking more, drinking more water, and sleeping earlier. Very simple things.
Simple things can be very strong when we do them again and again.
Yes, I used to think health meant a strict diet and hard exercise. Now I think health means daily care.
That is a healthy way to think. Goals should help us grow, not punish us.
I agree. Some people chase goals with too much pressure. They forget to enjoy life.
That is a big problem. A goal should not take away all our peace.
Yes, we can work hard and still be gentle with ourselves.
I think learners of English need to hear that. Many students say, I must speak perfectly.
But perfect English is not the real goal. Clear communication is the goal.
Exactly. If people understand you and you can share your thoughts, that is success.
Mistakes are part of learning. They are not enemies.
Mistakes are teachers.
I like that. A mistake can say, look here. This part needs practice.
Yes. So when we talk about dreams and goals, we should also talk about patience.
Patience is very important. A dream may take time. A big goal may need many months or years.
Sometimes people give up because they cannot see fast results.
But many good things grow slowly. A tree does not become tall in one night.
That is true. Learning English is the same. Confidence grows slowly, word by word, sentence by sentence.
And one day you look back and say, wow, I have improved.
That moment feels amazing.
Anna, what do you do when you feel tired of a goal?
First, I rest. I think rest is not quitting. Rest is part of the journey.
That is important. Sometimes we need sleep, food, fresh air, or a quiet day.
Yes. Then I ask myself, why did I start? Remembering the reason helps me continue.
The reason is like fuel.
Exactly. If my reason is strong, I can start again.
I also like to make the goal smaller when I feel tired.
That is smart. Can you give an example?
If my goal is to exercise for 30 minutes, but I feel very tired, I walk for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is still better than 0.
That is a great rule. Something is better than nothing.
Yes, and it keeps the habit alive.
Habits are very connected to goals. We do not reach goals only by wishing. We reach them by doing small actions often.
A dream says, I want a better future. A habit says, I am building it today.
That is a powerful sentence.
Thank you. I may write it in my notebook.
You should. It is a good reminder.
Let's talk about fear. Many people have dreams, but they are afraid to start.
Yes, fear is very common. People may think, what if I fail? Or, what if people laugh at me?
Or, what if I am not good enough?
That thought can stop many people. But we do not need to be perfect before we begin.
We become better after we begin.
Exactly. Starting is not proof that we are ready. Starting is how we become ready.
That is true for English speaking too. You cannot wait until you feel confident. You speak, and then confidence grows.
Confidence is not always the first step. Sometimes action is the first step.
Very true. When I started speaking another language, I felt nervous. My voice was quiet, and my sentences were short.
But you continued.
Yes, I made many mistakes, but kind people understood me. That gave me courage.
Courage does not mean we feel no fear. Courage means we move forward with fear.
That is a beautiful definition.
Thank you. Dreams need courage, but they also need support.
Support from friends, family, teachers, or even online communities.
Yes. It is easier to keep going when someone believes in you.
But what if no one supports your dream?
That is hard. But even then, you can support yourself. You can write your goal down. You can read stories of people who succeeded. You can find one small place where your dream is welcome.
I like that. Sometimes support starts with one sentence. I will try.
Yes. We must be careful with the words we say to ourselves.
Instead of saying, I cannot do this, we can say, I cannot do this yet.
That small word yet is very powerful.
I cannot speak English fluently yet.
I cannot understand every movie yet.
I cannot reach my goal yet.
But I am learning. I am practicing. I am growing.
That is a much better message for the mind.
It gives us hope and action at the same time.
Anna, some people have too many goals. They want to learn English, exercise, save money, read books, cook healthy food, and start a business all at once.
That can feel exciting at first, but then it becomes too much.
So what should they do?
They should choose one or two main goals first. Focus is powerful.
Yes, when we try to do everything, we often finish nothing.
Exactly. Choose the goal that matters most now. Later, you can add another goal.
It is like carrying bags. 1 or 2 bags are okay. 10 bags are too heavy.
Nice example. And we should also check our goals from time to time.
What do you mean?
Sometimes we choose a goal because other people expect it, but it may not be our true dream.
Ah, yes. Someone may study something only because their parents want it,
Or they may chase a job only because society says it is successful.
but deep inside they feel empty.
That is why we need honest questions. Do I really want this? Why does this goal matter to me? Will this make my life better?
Those questions are simple, but they are deep.
Yes, good goals should connect with our values.
Values are the things we believe are important, right?
Yes, for example, family, health, freedom, learning, kindness, creativity, or peace.
So if my value is health, my goal may be to sleep better and move my body more.
Exactly. If your value is learning, your goal may be to read, study, or take a course.
If your value is family, your goal may be to spend more time with people you love.
Yes. Not every goal must be about money, exams, or career.
That is important. A good life has many kinds of success.
Some success is quiet. A peaceful morning can be success. A kind conversation can be success. A brave first step can be success.
I agree. We should not compare our dreams too much with other people's dreams.
Comparison can steal our joy.
Social media can make this worse. We see someone's best moment and compare it with our normal day.
Yes, but we do not see their hard work, problems, fear, or slow days.
Everyone has a hidden story.
So instead of asking, why am I behind them? We can ask, what is my next step?
That question brings our power back.
Yes, we cannot control other people's paths, but we can choose our next step.
Let's give our listeners a simple plan for dreams and goals.
Great idea. Step 1, write down your dream.
For example, I want to speak English confidently.
Step 2, write down why this dream matters.
For example, I want to speak English confidently because I want better work chances and new friends.
Step 3, choose one clear goal.
For example, I will practice speaking English for 10 minutes every day.
Step 4, make the goal easy to start.
You can speak to yourself, record your voice, repeat a podcast sentence, or talk with a friend.
Step 5, check your progress every week.
Ask yourself, what did I do well? And what can I improve next week?
Step 6, celebrate small wins.
This is very important. If you learn 5 new words, celebrate. If you speak one sentence clearly, celebrate.
Celebration gives your brain a positive feeling. It says, this is good. Let's continue.
Some people wait until the big result to feel proud. But the small steps also deserve respect.
Yes, be proud of effort, not only results.
Effort is something we can control.
Results are important, but they often need time.
Anna, can dreams be dangerous?
That is an interesting question. I think dreams can become unhealthy if we forget everything else.
Like when someone works all the time and never rests.
Yes. Or when someone thinks, I will only be happy after I reach this goal.
That is risky because life is happening now.
Exactly. Goals are for building a better life, not for escaping the present life.
We should enjoy the journey.
Yes, enjoy learning, enjoy trying, enjoy becoming stronger.
The journey changes us.
Sometimes, the person we become is even more valuable than the goal we reach.
That is a deep thought. For example, if someone trains for a race, maybe the medal is nice, but discipline, health, and confidence are also gifts.
Exactly. And if someone studies English for a test, the score is important, but the new confidence is also important.
The goal gives us a direction, but the process builds our character.
Well said.
Let's talk about long-term goals and short-term goals.
Good idea. A long-term goal is something we want in the future. It may take a year, 5 years, or even longer.
Like becoming fluent in English, buying a home, writing a book, or changing careers.
Yes, a short-term goal is something we can do soon.
Like learning 20 new words this week, saving a little money this month, or finishing one chapter today.
Short-term goals help long-term goals feel possible.
Without short-term goals, long-term goals can feel too far away.
Exactly. If your dream is a mountain, short-term goals are the small steps up the path.
I like mountain examples. They make everything sound serious and beautiful.
They do. But remember, even climbing a mountain begins with one step.
And maybe good shoes.
Yes, good shoes too.
In real life, good shoes are like good tools. For an English learner, tools may be podcasts, notebooks, apps, books, or patient friends.
That is a great connection. Tools support goals.
But tools do not replace action.
True. Buying a notebook does not make us a writer. Writing in the notebook does.
Downloading a language app does not make us fluent. Using it often helps.
Planning is useful, but action is necessary.
Some people plan too much. They wait for the perfect time.
But the perfect time rarely comes.
The best time to start is often now, with what we have.
Yes, start small, start imperfectly, but start.
That could be the message of today's episode.
Start small, start imperfectly, but start. I love it.
Anna, do you think every dream should become a goal?
Not always. Some dreams are just for joy. Maybe someone dreams of living near the sea, but for now, they simply enjoy visiting the beach.
That is true. Not every dream needs a strict plan.
Some dreams give us beauty. Some dreams give us direction. Some dreams become real goals.
That is a gentle way to think about it.
But if a dream keeps calling your heart, maybe it is time to take one step.
One step can change the feeling. Suddenly the dream is not only a dream, it becomes a path.
And when we walk that path, we learn more about ourselves.
We learn what we enjoy, what we fear, what we need, and what we can do.
Sometimes the path teaches us that we want a different dream.
And that is okay.
Yes. Changing your dream does not mean you failed. It may mean you understand yourself better now.
That is very important. We are allowed to grow. We are allowed to change.
Life is not only about reaching one final place. It is about becoming more honest, more brave, and more alive.
That sounds like a quote from a book.
Maybe I should write that book one day.
There is your dream again.
Yes, maybe it is still there, waiting patiently.
Then your next goal could be writing one page.
That is true. Not a whole book today, just one page.
That is how big dreams begin.
Dear listeners, maybe you also have a dream waiting patiently.
Maybe you want to speak English with confidence, travel, study abroad, find a better job, start a small business, or live a calmer life.
Whatever your dream is, please remember this. You do not need to finish everything today.
You only need to take one honest step.
Write one sentence, learn one word, send one message, make one plan, ask one question.
Small actions can open big doors.
And when the door opens, walk through it with courage.
If you feel afraid, that is normal. If you make mistakes, that is normal. If you need more time, that is normal too.
Be patient with your dream. Be kind to yourself. Keep moving.
Your future self may thank you for the small step you take today.
Mark, before we finish, let's share 3 useful English phrases about dreams and goals.
Great. Phrase 1, I am working toward my goal.
That means you are taking steps to reach your goal.
Phrase 2, I want to make my dream come true.
That means you want your dream to become real.
Phrase 3, I will take it one step at a time.
That means you will not rush. You will move slowly and carefully.
These phrases are simple, but very useful.
Yes. Try using them today. You can say, I am working toward my English goal.
Or, I will take my dream one step at a time.
That sounds positive and clear.
Anna, I really enjoyed this conversation.
Me too, Mark. It reminded me that dreams are not only about the future. They can make today more meaningful.
And goals are not there to make us feel stressed. They are there to help us grow.
Exactly. Dreams give us hope. Goals give us direction. Habits give us progress.
And kindness gives us strength to continue.
Beautiful ending, Mark.
Thank you. I saved my best sentence for the end.
Dear listeners, thank you so much for listening to Daily English Dialogues.
We hope this conversation helped you learn English and also think about your own dreams and goals.
Please write in the comments, what is one dream or goal you have?
We would love to read your answers and support your journey.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video.
And do not forget to comment and subscribe to Daily English Dialogues for more friendly English conversations.
Keep learning, keep dreaming, and keep taking small steps.
Thank you for listening, and we will see you in the next episode of Daily English Dialogues.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and good luck with your dreams and goals.